Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be doing slime, and we have some glitter. We have blue glitter. We have teal glitter. We got teal glitter again, a blue glitter again, and we also have green, teal blue, pink, and purple. And these are gems. I love these gems. Cute. This cool. And we have green food coloring, blue food coloring, purple food coloring, and activator, and glitter, and some another. They are. So we have glue and another glue. So let's get started. It's making a pig sound. Cool pig sound. So hard. Cool. It's actually coming out. It looks like something like someone. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. And another glitter. Just go. Oh yeah, it's open. It's a big one. Woo! Whoa, it's so huge. It's turning like a huge monster, I think. Cool. Okay, this is cool. Next, I'm gonna. Oh, guys, I forgot. I'm gonna go get some spoon. It's making a pig sound. Cool pig sound. So hard. Cool. It's actually coming out. It looks like something like someone. Okay, that's enough. I think that's enough. And another glitter. Just go. Oh yeah, it's open. It's a big one. Woo! Whoa, it's so huge. It's turning like a huge monster, I think. Cool. Okay, this is cool. Next, I'm gonna. Oh, guys, I forgot. I'm gonna go get some spoon. Now I'm gonna put the activator. Whoa. That's enough, I guess. Okay, now stir it. So cool. Okay, this is so fun. Okay, I think that will be enough. Okay, now I'm gonna add pink in. Now I'm gonna put the food coloring 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, next up. Now let's start. Whoa! It's like it's turning purple. Oh, I love this color. It looks like a rainbow. It's like a rainbow. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's cute. It's cool. I love this slime. I love this slime. This slime is so fun. I think that will be enough. Now, what should I use? Now I'm gonna pour it all in. Whoa, whoa, too much, too much. I think that will be enough. No, it's spilling. Oh, I better be careful. Accident. Look at the slime. What? It's so beautiful. It looks like it matches this color. Because look, it has purple on it. So cool. Wait, it's dark purple. It gets like black. Well, it looks like black, but now it's purple. What? It's cool. Cool. Now I'm gonna mix it in with my hand. Let's do it. Whoa, look at the slime. It smells. Smells good. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So purpley. Oh my God, it's so fun. I love it I like to play with it so much. Look at the slime. Look at the slime. I can see you just. I'm gonna put some blue glitter in. Let's see how it looks like. This glitter, I'm just gonna put this. Oh, I can see through. It's so beautiful. All done. Now let's mix it up. Oh, you can actually see in there. Look, some sparkles. Next, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to add a lot of glitter into my slime. You can see too. We have to get all of this activator off that thing. So we could like put the here. choose a little bit of purple. I can see through purple. Put the top on. Now I'm gonna put these things in. Oh, good. Look at these, so beautiful. Is that to open them? Oh, never mind. I always have to make some beautiful slime. Like, oh, that's too much. I'll just leave these for my other slimes. Oh, and get all these sparkles in. Nice. What? Now my slime looks good. Now I'm gonna put one of these pink ones. Ooh. My slime's pretty too good. Let me get these out of my hands. Putting this teal glitter. See how it looks like. Is that green? Oh, it's like, looks like cherry apple. So awesome. That will be a little too much. Now let's add these in gems. Let's put some star. Oop, hold on. Now let's put this orange heart right there. This pink one. A pink star. Yeah, then use this one. Now a pink heart. I'm just gonna put this one. So this is gonna be with the pink side. The blue one is gonna go with the pink. Next, the orange one will go with the pink. Now the orange. That. It's like a flamingo. It's so cool. What? I just put right here. So this is my slime, and thanks for watching my channel. And leave a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I want to say that I love you guys so much, and I wanted to say bye.